Here we are, once again, 515 Sheridan Avenue. Kevin Meyer's supposed to clean these gutters. And you can see somebody come up here and got him a handful. Didn't rinse nothing down. No garden hose. Down here at the end, it hadn't even thought about being got. Paid Kevin Myers, was Kevin Myers wanting me to pay him for cleaning these gutters. This is 515 Sheridan Avenue. So every house I've checked that he's supposed to have cleaned gutters at, there's been an issue. And that's where the downspout is. There's the downspout. And it's clogged up.